This is how to pay off your Chase, Wells Fargo, or Bank of America credit card so you can get a higher credit score. I'm a 36-year-old self-made millionaire and former public school teacher, and I'm going to share with you the number one mistake that most people make.
Okay. I haven't seen this video, but I'll tell you what I think the number one mistake people make with paying off their debt. And then I'm curious what this gentleman says. I think that the number one mistake people make with paying off their debt is they don't set up an automatic debt payoff plan. What they try to do is they kind of just pay whatever bill comes in, they pay the minimum. Once in a while, they get a little extra money, they pay it, but they don't calculate how much debt do I owe? When will my debt be paid off? What if I put an extra $100 a month towards it or $200 and then set it up, automate it? That's, in my opinion, the biggest mistake people make with paying off debt.
First, I want to see my payment due date. So for me, it's going to be September 21st. When choosing an amount that I want to pay, I'm never going to choose a minimum payment of $25 because I'm going to end up paying a lot of interest. The mistake that many people make is that they pay the current balance because they think that this is due on the payment date. But what they should do is pay the same balance before the payment date to avoid any interest fees.
Yes.
You never want to pay credit card companies more than you should because they actually use your money to invest for themselves, whereas you can be investing for yourself instead.
Yo, that's pretty good.